We're going to check out the new Google Shopping now. I'm in the market of buying a new camera, so I can actually just go ahead and search for it. And we remember these little distinct ads here that we see, and sometimes we see those here. But in the shopping field, when you actually go in there, you're going to have a more detailed breakdown. Before, you used to have different price settings, and it helps you tune what you want to get, but you're getting lots more information. You're getting bundled information from different places. So in this case, I'm coming from New York, so I should start seeing some B&H right here. I'm seeing Canon, and I'm also seeing different brand names. What's cool is you can go to your home for shopping, and you have like this new page that's going to give you a breakdown of listings. So you can already see how this feels like a mixture of Amazon or other shopping experiences. So even just the recommendations here for Mother's Day, they're going to give you a nice little breakdown. Some people are calling this the Google's version of Amazon Bing, so slightly more inferior. But I think this is pretty clever because you can also sort it by in-store matches. And if you disable the in-store matches, you can also look at the ones that allow you to buy directly on Google, which is cool because you have those checkout features that help you buy it. Now, going through these ads right now, I can see that some of these are going to be sponsored, but I'm not sure which. I'm looking for that little ad experience here. Maybe if I search for ads, I can see them. Maybe if I search for sponsored, no, I'm not really seeing those blended in. So I'm not too clear on how that's going to work yet, but we're starting to see this experience. But when you toggle over here into stores, you're going to see stores like Best Buy, Target, which is kind of cool because it's already putting you on the path to work with retailers and brands that you like, which is fair because you can see how these brands probably came together with Google as an antidote to what Amazon is doing. And I don't like the navigation because I get it goes into the hamburger menu here and I get a little confused. But you can see how this is turning into more of an e-commerce experience. It looks like Google is going to also start curating more of the reviews here, so I can also become some sort of an influencer here around product reviews. But it's pretty cool. I don't think this is there yet. It has a big feeling that this will be more of an app where you can actually download a Google Shopping app and go through it, which makes sense because all the back end is going to be plugged in together. So if Google has the app experience, it has the reviews, it has different stores feeding their products in here through Google Shopping or just through their custom feeds that they did for their free products that they want to sell on Google. I can see how that's going to come together. This is definitely, it feels like a beta, but with all the different suppliers that they're working with, it's far from it. So let's look out and see how this begins to develop because it might be pretty cool. I would actually consider to go here on Google because we're always price matching on Google or we're price matching on Amazon. I think the affinity here is if you get the better deal, you're going to go with the better provider. Thanks for watching. Now, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Every day I'm publishing videos on growth hacking, digital marketing, how to be a successful entrepreneur. I really want to enable you to become a decision maker in your own business in the future of work. So if you want to come along with me on this journey, hit subscribe, hit notifications, and I'll talk to you real soon.